Welcome back to Drive Zone USA. The 2026 Tesla Model Y arrives as the most significant refresh since its original launch, representing the company's effort to maintain its dominance in the compact electric SUV market. Known internally as the Juniper project, this update refines nearly every aspect of the Model Y without losing the identity that has made it Tesla's global bestseller. The exterior receives a sharper and more modern aesthetic, with the inclusion of full-width LED light bars across the front and rear, redesigned bumpers, and new aerodynamic enhancements that subtly echo the futuristic styling of the Cybertruck. The vehicle is slightly longer than before, stretched by around 1.6 inches, which helps the proportions look more balanced and gives the cabin a touch more practicality. Tesla has also updated the rear end with a split tailgate panel, designed to reduce repair costs if damaged, a practical decision that speaks to the company's effort to improve ownership experience. Inside, the cabin has undergone the most noticeable transformation. The dashboard is sleeker and makes better use of high-quality materials, offering a more refined atmosphere than earlier versions. The seats have been upgraded with improved cushioning and ventilation, delivering long-distance comfort, while new ambient lighting adds sophistication. The minimalist philosophy remains intact, with most controls still operated through the central touchscreen, but the driving gear selector is now integrated into the screen itself. While some will appreciate the futuristic integration, others may find it less intuitive compared to traditional controls in the rear. Passengers now benefit from an 8-inch secondary display that controls climate settings and provides entertainment options such as streaming video and games, making road trips more engaging for families. Cabin insulation has also been re-engineered, creating a significantly quieter driving experience, with independent tests recording around 66 decibels at highway speeds, which is a substantial improvement over earlier models. Under the skin, Tesla continues to rely on its proven battery platform, believed to be around 75 kilowatt-hours in capacity, but efficiency improvements and revised software tuning deliver stronger results. The base long-range rear-wheel drive variant produces around 195 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, good for a 0 to 60 time of roughly 5.7 seconds and a maximum range of up to 357 miles. On the smallest wheels, the long-range all-wheel drive version adds a second motor, providing a quicker 0 to 60 time of about 4.4 seconds and an estimated range of 327 miles. With the standard 19-inch wheels, or slightly less with the optional 20-inch wheels. The Launch Series all-wheel drive trim, released initially as a limited edition package, comes bundled with Tesla's full self-driving software and delivers a 0 to 60 time in the low 4-second range with a driving range close to 320 miles. A performance trim is expected later in the cycle, promising approximately 510 horsepower, a blistering 0 to 60 time in the 3-second range, and a sportier suspension calibration. Although range will likely be reduced to around 170 miles, charging remains competitive, with support for up to 250 kilowatt fast charging on Tesla's Supercharger network, capable of adding about 150 miles of range in 15 minutes. Ensuring long-distance usability remains one of Tesla's strongest selling points. Technology remains central to the Model Y's appeal. The latest update expands the driver assistance suite, improving camera resolution, adding new exterior sensors, and enhancing object recognition for smoother operation of autopilot and full self-driving. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking are standard, while the more advanced supervised self-driving functions require an additional subscription or purchase. Tesla has also included new safety technologies, such as child presence detection and predictive AI safety alerts, under what is reportedly being branded Tesla Guardian, which brings the car closer to semi-autonomous Level 3 capability. The vehicle still carries a robust passive safety structure, 8 airbags, and advanced crash test ratings that align with Tesla's history of strong performance and safety. Evaluations. Pricing for the 2026 lineup has been adjusted but remains competitive. The long-range rear-wheel drive model starts at around $44,990. The long-range all-wheel drive begins close to $49,000, and the limited launch series all-wheel drive package carries a premium price of around $61,600 due to the inclusion of full self-driving. The forthcoming performance model is expected to slot around $57,000 in the United States. These prices may be further reduced through eligibility for federal tax credits of up to $7,500, making the Model Y an even stronger value proposition against its competitors. Delivery of the launch series began in early 2025, with the other trims gradually rolling out across global markets through 2025 and into 2026. Real-world reviews so far have been positive. Critics highlight the quieter cabin, improved suspension, tuning that makes the ride more compliant, and the interior's more premium feel compared to earlier builds. Car and Driver recorded an impressive 0 to 60 time of 3.9 seconds in the all-wheel drive version, along with a quarter-mile run of 12.3 seconds at 115 miles per hour, proving that the Model Y still delivers exhilarating performance while maintaining its family-friendly SUV practicality. Edmunds noted the vehicle's efficiency, cargo capacity, and advanced tech give it an edge over competitors like the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and Ford Mustang Mach-E. Even though some rivals offer more intuitive physical controls or more traditional luxury interiors, Tesla continues to lead with its extensive charging infrastructure, which remains a decisive advantage for long-distance drivers. The 2026 Tesla Model Y ultimately represents Tesla's strategy of evolution rather than revolution. It doesn't reinvent the electric SUV but instead sharpens the design, refines the interior, enhances efficiency, and strengthens safety and technology features to keep it competitive. With its wide range of trims, from efficient rear-wheel drive to high-performance all-wheel drive, it caters to different buyer priorities. While Tesla's ever-expanding Supercharger network and over-the-air software updates ensure the ownership experience remains ahead of most competitors, for many buyers, the Model Y remains the default choice for an electric SUV, and with the Juniper refresh, it looks set to hold that crown for several more years.